Hey guys, this is Dave from Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Asset Industrial TDF folder. This is a pneumatic operated TDF folder used for the HVAC industry and supplied by Asset Plant Machinery. This particular one is 2.5 long, and as you can see here with all the recessed grooves there, it will fit your 35mm HVAC TDF groove in there, so you can fold the four sides of your boxes up the four sides. We also have a nice pointed head here, so when you're doing your box folding is very important in HVAC folding in general, so the sheet metal, so you can achieve a nice tight sort of box fold by going up over the head. Standard angle bar fitted on this for folding. Simple in operation. The reason why the pneumatic ones are very popular is because they're fast and they're easy to use. Generally the angle setting is set to about 90 degrees because that's what most sheet metal HVAC suppliers require. So we'll just do a general sort of overview of what happens. So we've got in our Asset Industrial one, we have a super strength twin pneumatic ram system, so that gives you extra folding power, capacity, strength and reliability. Now this is just a general example of a 35mm TDF form and a traditional sort of HVAC sort of duct that's been produced. Asset Plant sell everything that's required for HVAC folding. We sell the Cal6 auto line, we sell the AML3 auto line as well, TDF folders, lock seamers, whatever you need for HVAC, jump online to assetplant.com.au and we've got it. So we'll just show you how simple this is to use. We've got it's in the up position now, so we'll just put a bit of gel in there and away we go. So we'll just clamp that down. Obviously this isn't TDF now, we're just showing you the general process of how it works. So up it goes, down again. Out. Just a nice little 90-degree fold, and we'll just return that back over the head just to show you the actual, the head being folded. So So what I say box folding, that next step, that next third fold will actually go right over the head and give you a nice tight fold. So just come in the back here and you can sort of see what I meant regarding box folding. So this pointed section here obviously gives you a nice, the ability to form a nice tight HVAC duct. So jump on assetplant.com.au and find our range of HVAC sheet metal machinery. Thanks and have a great day.